The accuracy of your DigiEye system depends on the careful calibration of the instrument. The calibration pack contains one Digitizer calibration chart and one white uniformity board. The Digitizer calibrates the color from the camera, while the white uniformity board is used to set the white balance of the camera and is also used to correct uniformity in captured images. It is essential that the Digitizer calibration charts and white uniformity boards are kept in pristine condition. Always store your calibration materials in the black calibration wallet provided with your system. Protect the Digitizer chart from dirt and prevent excessive exposure to light. After use, remove straight away from the DigiEye cabinet and never expose to direct sunlight. In exceptional circumstances, the white uniformity board can be wiped with a damp cloth, using a light detergent if really dirty. It is important that no dirt or scratches are present on the board, otherwise this would result in captured images actually showing patches or inverse scratches. And in this case, you must replace your board with a new one. These can be ordered from Verified Limited or via our local distributor. The Digitizer chart contains 240 patches of colour. These are a mix of squares of printed paper, textile felts and special plastics. Occasionally, the textile felt samples will pick up dust, and these can be simply cleaned by a light brushing off. For stubborn dust, you can carefully pick off using a small piece of sticky tape. Be very careful to keep tape away from printed paper swatches to avoid damaging the printed paper finish. Any damage to any square will render the calibration chart out of service, and this should be replaced as a matter of urgency in order to maintain the accuracy of the system. Providing you have chosen the annual service and support contract, you will receive a new calibration pack annually at the time of the service and calibration visit. During this visit, the CIE D65 lamps will also be replaced.